Wouldn't it be neat if we could somehow radically change the way a shape was lofted? Maybe scale or even twist that shape as it traveled down the path. You know what? You can. Let's take a look at that. Let's go ahead and open up a file. Working in Chapter 7, choose Loft Deformation. Now all we've done here is taken an ellipse and lofted it along an arced path. Now we're going to be deforming this in quite a few ways, so I need to first of all check the amount of detail in this object. Let's go ahead and select it, and now hit the F4 command for edged faces. In looking at the number of segments, I think I could probably use a couple more. Let's go to the Modify column. Let's open up the skin parameters, and now let's adjust upward the number of path steps. There we go. We can now hit F4 again to go back into shaded mode. Now directly below the skin parameters area, we have a tab called Deformations. Go ahead and click on the word Scale. Let me explain what we have here. You see the red line that kind of goes across the screen and the number 100 off to the left-hand side? What this is basically doing is showing us the size of the ellipse as it travels down the path. Right now, it's at full size, in other words, 100%. Look above this. You see the 0 to 100? This is the distance along the path. We can control the size of this object as it travels down the path by moving these black dots. Let's go ahead and select the black dot on the right end. I want you to now simply grab that and move it close to, but not beyond, that heavy gray line. Very good. So what we've done basically is change the size of the shape as it travels down the path. You can see if you look down here on the bottom, we are 100% down the path, and we've taken this ellipse down to about 7% of its original size. Let's see what that actually results in. Look at this. I'm going to arc rotate around, and you can see the very small 7% of a regular sized ellipse on the other end. Look what that's done. We can actually also twist the ellipse as it travels down the path. Let's go ahead and click on the Twist button. Now, this controls how many degrees the ellipse will rotate as it travels from the front of the path back to the back end. Again, you'll notice this time that the red line is matched right up against 0%. We still have the percentage of the path up here at the top. Now, watch what we do this time. Let's select the back end of the path, and I'm simply now going to take that and rip this straight down. Now, what we've done is we've now rotated the ellipse as it's traveled down the path. Close this out. And it almost looks like a twisted piece of taffy. Look at that. So it's absolutely crazy what you can do with these deformations. I'll right-click to get out of the Arc Rotate command. You can even take this a step further by actually animating these deformations. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. Let's go to it.